Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's Exploration of the Solar System video, we will talk about the IRIS spacecraft and its exploration of our Sun. The Sun is the source of nearly all the energy in our solar system. It drives space weather, shapes planetary environments, and makes life on Earth possible. But one of the Sun's greatest mysteries lies in a region that we cannot see easily from Earth. To study that region, NASA launched IRIS. The Sun is made up of distinct layers. It's the visible surface, the hot outer atmosphere, and in between a thin dynamic layer known as the chromosphere. This interface region plays a critical role in how energy moves through the Sun's atmosphere. Understanding this region is essential to explaining how the Sun's outer layers become so hot. IRIS was launched in 2013 and was placed into Earth orbit. From there, it observes the Sun continuously, focusing on the boundary between the solar surface and the outer atmosphere. IRIS combines high-resolution imaging and detailed spectroscopy, allowing scientists to track how energy and material move through the Sun's atmosphere. IRIS studies rapid motions in the chromosphere, bursts of energy released on small scales, and the behavior of hot plasma. These observations reveal that the interface region is far more active and complex than previously thought. IRIS has shown that small frequent energy releases may play a major role in heating the Sun's outer atmosphere. The Sun is our closest star, but it is not unique. By understanding how energy flows through the Sun's atmosphere, scientists gain insight into other stars, stellar activity, and the environments around distant planets. IRIS helps connect solar physics to broader questions about stars and planetary systems. IRIS reminds us that even familiar objects can hold deep mysteries. By focusing on a thin hidden layer of the Sun, IRIS has revealed processes that shape space throughout the solar system. Sometimes understanding the universe means looking closely at the boundaries in between. So that concludes this week's discussion of the IRIS spacecraft and its studies of our Sun. We'll be back again next week for another exploration of the solar system video. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.